So this is the end of one of the feet, and there will be a pulley wheel here. So I will need to make a hole for the shaft. That is an M10 bolt right in there. And there will need to be a recess here. I'll start with a recess on all 4 parts. Yeah, it went a little bit rougher than I remembered. Anyway, it worked fine. My new favorite, that is slotting. That was quite an opening, jumping right into it. No context whatsoever. Well, I can show a model of the sawmill to show what I'm working on. So these square tubes down here, they are what I call the feet. I'm not sure if there are 2 feet or 4 feet. There are 4 wheels, that is for sure. When working on these square tubes, it all follows the same pattern. Square off the ends, fix the length, drill holes, tap, and all combinations of that, deburring. Frankly, it all becomes repetitive and a bit boring in the end. That's a bit odd. I really tried to miss that seam, but here we are. The hole is right into the seam. Well, I can grind it away, so it should be right. Okay, so we have the thread upwards. So here is a wheel here. Fun fact, this is the worst quality I have ever seen on a bolt 4.8. I've seen that poor quality on threaded rods, but that is because the threads are cut and not rolled. But 4.8. Let's go and get the distance. There are 2 spaces there. I think I will use them. So it is from the bottom. Fiddliest thing ever to do on camera. I don't think that will work. someone has measured this wrong. Here that distance should be 40. Yeah, there is a mix-up at least. Here are two new spacers, bushings. No, I think it's spacers when they are on the axle direction. Let's see if I can get that one in there. And then that one on top. There we have it, I think. And that is acceptable, or not. Anyways, the solution is there. I can fix that perhaps. Here is some variation. The corner reinforcements. Two 200 by 200 5mm steel sheets. I have punished myself, so I have just a tad of material allowance to make all four corners fit in there. So I have to line it up properly. I make the holes for the M8 screws with the end mill, just because it already sits in a spindle and doesn't stick out very much downwards. I mean, I don't need new marks in the table. I got the wheels, finally, and this belt fits fine. How about this one? No, this one is too short, but how much too short? Well, let's find out. Seems like 3 centimeters too short, maybe a little bit less, but let's say 3 centimeters. I don't know what to call these square tube parts. They connect the uprights with a motor and pulley frame. Well, have a look in the picture here and see what you like to call them. This is all getting very much same old, same old. I went on to do the uprights, the top bar, and starting welding and tacked it all together. And the results will come in the next video. Thanks for watching.